Judy couldn't travel from Chicago? Now she can be there. Grandma Betty a little too old to manage the plane ride? Now she can look at the bride's face as she says, "I do." We all have people we love that cannot always travel to make it to special occasions. Our technology allows even your most distant relative the ability to make it to your wedding. From anywhere in the world, your friends and family can not only watch your wedding live, they can physically participate at your wedding party as it's happening. By clicking Join the Reception, this places online guests in a reception line that allows them to control objects inside the room in real time. They can control the camera and look around the facility as if they were there themselves. Clicking on the control buttons will instantly start a stream of bubbles, spin the mirrored ball, control streamers inside the venue, ring the kissing bell, and many other objects depending on the location of the venue. All this happens instantly and is all controlled from the internet by your guests who could not make the travel. Tabs on the bottom of the screen show the couple's story, provide a schedule of the ceremony, offers an option for online guests to contribute to the couple's honeymoon, and also provides a very unique electronic photo feature. When a guest is the live player, they have full control of the camera. They may look around the room, zoom in and out of action scenes, and take instant on-screen photos of the party. They may take as many photos as they like and save their favorites. Any photo a user saves gets stored into the couple's electronic photo album. At the end of the evening, the couple has an instant wedding photo album taken exclusively by their friends and family and is available before they reach the honeymoon suite. The photo album is also made available for any friends or family who wish to download this as well. There is an online version of a wishing well on the right side of the screen. In this Wish Them Well, loved ones can send messages of happiness, love, and advice, which are saved electronically and made available to the bride and groom to be inserted into the memorabilia of their special day. Other family members and friends may view comments on the screen by clicking View Wishing Well. The couple's online registries may also be accessed from this page, as well as local venues of eateries and coffee houses for the guests that did manage the travel into town. With our technology, anything is possible. Reach in to your wedding.